I was so excited for me and Lily to visit the beach, but when I got there, I just didn't feel like going in. I just kept hanging back. Lily was a bit worried and kept asking if I was okay, and I said I was. They all swam out further to where it's deeper and asked me to join them, but I still didn't want to. I'm not that good at swimming. Lily realised something was up and swam back over. She asked what I liked to do instead, so we changed our plans. I was watching the school team playing. I asked the coach if I would be able to join, and he said yes. But then he gave me the kit list. I knew it was going to be more than we could afford. Lily checked in on me again, but I didn't want to tell her what was wrong. When I got home, Mum asked about the team and I showed her the kit list. She called the coach to see if I could borrow a kit for now, and he said that was no problem. Millie made fun of me because I had to borrow the kit. I just walked away, but the coach told Millie if she said anything like that again, she'd be off the team. I think Millie realised she was out of order, and the coach told her she should apologise to me. Afterwards, I thanked the coach for looking out for me. He told me that the school has a scheme to buy kits for some pupils, that way I would not have to borrow anything. Mum called back in later to sort it out, and that was me, with my own strip. Millie said sorry too. Next day, before morning practice, there wasn't anything to have for breakfast, and I didn't have enough money for anything at the shops. After I started playing, I felt a bit weird, lightheaded and fuzzy. I must have fainted. When I woke up, Millie was helping me up and asking if I had had breakfast. I just told her I didn't have time, but Lily and Millie knew something was up, and they went to talk to the coach about getting a breakfast club started in school. Coach spoke to the head teacher, and a few weeks later, the breakfast club started. Good for everyone, not just me.